Hello everyone and welcome back to WAM'S tutorial. So today in this video we are going to learn two-letter words. So as you can see we have a bunch of two-letter words that we are going to learn today. The first and foremost thing here is we need to know that whenever we teach any two-letter words or any sort of word, we need to teach them in phonics and in normal form also. For example, am. So this makes am. You need to teach them in phonics as am, and you need to teach them in a normal way, that is am, because most of the words and most of the letters here do not form a proper formation with the phonic sound. For example, now if we see B, so this makes a proper pronunciation, but when we read this in phonics, it is ba. So that doesn't make a proper pronunciation. So whenever we teach any sorts of words, we need to teach them in both phonics and in the normal way. So now let us start with the reading process. So whenever you read, first you need to divide both the letters. A, m, a, m, am. Make your child keep finger on the letter. So whenever they read, make them read it like a, m. A, m together is called as am. A, am. If you need, you can just draw a line, or you can either draw a line like this. A, m, and then draw a big line and say it that it has joined together. A, m, am. A, n, an. A, m, am. A, n, an. A, n, an. A, n, an. As, as. As, as. As, as. As, as. At, at. At, at. B, B. B, B. Me, me. Me. He. He. So now here we are using phonics again. In, in. In. In, in. In. Is. Is. It's, is. Is. It, it. It. If. 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 No, no. No. No, no. No. So, so. So. Go. Go. To. So this doesn't make a proper pronunciation. It is or to. But this is to. So you need to read it to. Next, even here, it is or do. So we cannot read it like that. You need to read it like do. No. So. Go. To. You cannot read it, so you need to read it to. Do. I'll repeat it once again. Am. An. an, as, as, at, be, me, he, in, is, it, if, no, so, go, to, do. So this is all about two-letter words and the way of reading it.